Hey everyone, so I did my topic over agriculture and livestock. So in that I wanted to incorporate, what's my reasoning and why I chose this. So a great app that I like to use through my teaching and learning is PowerPoint. So step one is I type in PowerPoint here at the bottom, pull it up, and here's my PowerPoint. So as you can see, I've already kind of worked on it. But once you pull it up, you add a title. I added my name so everyone knows what we're going to be talking about. Then I moved into some of my rationale. I chose the theme of agriculture livestock because that's my passion. It's what I work with these animals all the time. I'm around these animals all day, so I decided to do my theme of them to introduce other people to my daily life. My theme and topic can be done in many routes, and making this a good flexible theme so I can expand on it throughout the coursework. So I'm becoming an agriculture teacher, so I believe this really helps me learn more about my subject and how I can add my technology to this subject for my future students. So in PowerPoint, you can go through all these, do all your text docs, and even add a picture. And how I did that was using the internet. I scrolled over and I typed in, agriculture livestock, found the image I wanted, pulled it up, and then you come down, copy the image, and then when you go back into PowerPoint, you can just copy and paste that image and resize it to how you did. That's what I did. So I believe that this was a great theme for me. I'm excited about this, so I chose agricultural livestock.